Okay, let's get started with the test. It's just about 6:30. I've got it unplugged. I just unplugged it from grid, and it's running off the battery. Okay, I'll check back in 4 hours for an update. Okay, we're a little bit past 4 hours now. I noticed when it first started charging, the battery dropped 1 bar, but through the rest of the 4 hours it hasn't moved. Okay, we're coming up on 8 hours now. Still running strong. Still only 1 bar down on the battery. It's running really cool, the inverter and the battery. Fridge is still running. Okay, we have now been running 12 hours. It's now nighttime here. And believe it or not, that battery indicator hasn't moved. So I'm happy with this because that's all I need is 12 hours. But I will keep this running until it's depleted, so everybody out there will know exactly how long a 12 volt 200 amp hour battery, blue carbon battery, can last. So we will continue. Another 4 hours have passed. We've got 16 hours on here so far. Both the units are nice and cool to the touch still. And the battery indicator has not gone down. It's still 1 line from the top. So we'll keep an eye on it and see what we can get out of this. Okay, another 4 hours has passed. This makes 20 hours that this has been running on the battery. The battery meter has not changed. It's still down 1 notch. So that's draining very slowly. You can see refrigerator's still running. Okay, it's late. I'm going to bed now, and we'll see if it's still running in the morning. Okay, we're going to add another 4 hours on. This makes 28 hours it's been running now off the inverter, and the battery actually dropped 1 bar, so I guess it's working. I was a little leery of it there for a while. So we'll check back in another 4 hours and see how she's doing. Okay, another 4 hours has passed. She's been running 32 hours. Battery has dropped another bar. She's still running strong. Fridge is still running. We'll check back in another 4. Okay, 3 o'clock. Battery's drained. Low voltage is beeping. Meter's down to 20% where it's supposed to turn off. Everything's working well. Okay, that's it for the test.